Welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host Andrew Spanton. July 14th, 2009. Ooh, what a day. What a day. This doesn't get a doggone day. Just to get you caught up right now, why the market exploded late in the day. Intel up huge after the close. I'm short, taking some pain. But I've been here before with Intel, by the way. Been there, done that, thinking Intel earnings our market explodes like this and we're going to get follow through, only to be disappointed as a future sell off in Europe. So even in Asia. So to me, the financials are more important than Intel. Not that Intel isn't a big important driver of the economy, absolutely, and not that Intel's not important, but I think we come in Asia for sure. Anyway, again, recapping, Goldman Sachs, baby, sell on the news. You could have done very well, people. Hey, we were short the dollar long the carry trade going into it, sold it. You could have done very well. My entries didn't hit, so a lot of my trade recommendations were for naught. But hopefully you benefited from my videos and my bias and yada yada yada. Anyway, again tonight, big numbers coming out. We got CPI coming out, obviously, and I go into more detail about thinking about just focusing this one on what's assuming you know what's going on and you listen to my radio show where I talk about the recap, whereas this one is more about the day ahead. I'm thinking about changing that up a little bit. Again, twitter.com/voice of Forex. Come on, people. I only got 137. The hell is that? Sign up, baby. Anyway, again, the CPI data coming out, I think tonight is going to be terrible. I think London numbers are going to be terrible. Swiss numbers are going to be terrible. I know I sound bearish, but I just don't see it. I think inflation is going to be weak. I think bond yields, which were up today, are going to be weak. And I think crude inventories are probably going to be higher, and I can see crude collapsing. So that's just my dogs and cats scenario. Empire, I don't see how that's going to be better. Now, obviously, if I'm wrong, sterling, again, sterling to me was up more because of euro weakness. And if you got my tweet today, we said eurozone numbers were horrible. Euro should be the relative strength loser. Euro Canada. Thank you, Dennis Gartman. I screwed it up. My best idea I screwed up. Can you believe it? I got out at 160. I am sick. Dropped another 200. Anyway, euro dollar daily chart. Still nowhere. A bridge to freaking nowhere. Question is, do you really think Sarah Palin wrote that cap and trade article? Do you really think she wrote it? No way. And as I said before, I mean, I would never vote for her as president of the United States. I cannot see her meeting someone in Russia. I can't. I can't. I like her spunkiness. I like her bluntness. And I respect a lot of the things about her. But I don't know. I'd have to see her a lot more. Anyway, getting back, euro dollar daily chart. Sorry, I have to throw that in. Daily chart to me, not so great. I think we're on the precipice of a big breakdown. Maybe we get a rally. Maybe we get a break it out to break it down scenario first. Maybe the future's being up so much they're going to keep going. Maybe. Bottom line, European numbers suck. I'd rather be a seller of the euro than a buyer. I think we break through 139. Now this 139 to 138.50 level becoming a very big spot. Very big. Dollar yen, late day rally. Look at the breakout, the late day move, and dollar yen above 93. Gonna look to short that baby. Right, the 10 exponential. Yeah, that's this line here. Yeah. I see nice resistance at 94. We break out through 94. Say hello to my little friend. 97. We're not getting up there, but certainly a nice breakout. I would say we have a little continuation and then sell off. So 94, we're going to look to sell it. Thank you guys so much. Sterling dollar, certainly nice bullish engulfing, right? Hammer, bullish engulfing, still at big time resistance. I think you got to do your Fibonacci, here. Hey, if I'm wrong about the sterling numbers, cable could explode. I think 63, was that 80? I don't want to waste your valuable time. 63.70. Again, I see big resistance even at the 50. I'm sorry, that is the 50. 64.60, I don't see getting. Yeah, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe we're going to explode all the way up to here. Maybe I'm dead wrong. I don't think so. Yeah, dollar Swiss was up. Aussie was strong. This dollar Swiss tried to break out a little bit. Certainly broke that channel line here, but this is a gorgeous wedge. Something's coming, people. Something is coming. We are not going to stick around like this for a while. Maybe the summer months trading just continues like this, I guess. That Euro Swiss looks good on a breakout. Retail sales come out weaker. Aussie dollar, right to the top of my channel. I am short Aussie right now. A little nervous. A little nervous because it's breaking this. Actually not perfect. Come on, gold down. Gold not even up that much. Dip reverse nicely. Yes, they go right there. And again, my Fibbo level is a fib level too. 350 minus 175. Bang. Oh, maybe a little higher. Right there, the 50. 80, just about the 50% retracement. That should be very interesting to see. But again, to me, Aussie dollar. I like it as a short. I think oil collapses tomorrow. I think a lot of people are long oil. Look at the dollar Canada. What have we been saying? 9 out of 11 years, July was a good year for the loonie. How much did I make in dollar Canada today? I got killed in dollar Canada. I didn't get to my short off at 15.50. And I freaking bought it at 114.40. Like a moron. Oh, the indicators were not at work. Dennis Gartman was at work today. Look at that. Ooh, does that look good? I loved it. One of my best ideas. My channel line. I've been drawing this channel line for how long? Not that one, sorry. This one. Bang. I mean, son of a bitch. And the numbers were good. What, it took Dennis Gartman to get the market to realize? It's ridiculous. New Zealand looks good. Another one. Again, I think we reversed. I think we're going to the top of the range. Maybe, maybe we're coming up to here. 65. Really. Maybe. But I still see nice resistance right here at the 64 level. And but again, I think we might punch up here. Question is, do we short here or do we short here? Do we get long and then get short? What do we do? So again, you as a trader obviously got to use a discipline. We break through 64. We're probably going to 65. You got to get long and then look to reverse. It's going to be a wild Wednesday, I'll tell you that. Euro sterling, let's take a look there. Again, nice continuation. Euro looking terrible. I think this euro sterling, it might come down to 85. If London numbers are good, absolutely. All right, euro yen. Did it break out? Not really. I'm short it right now, but I think, euro yen might get up to 130, 150. Big spot there. Should we get above there? And again, dollar yen, the same thing, right? They all look the same. Should we get up? Should we break out higher to 130, 150? We might go to 135. But I think we might rally a little bit after the close today. We're closing in 3 minutes. And I think then we reverse. Sterling yen, that touched the 10 exponential and is backing off right now. But sterling yen, triple roll tomorrow. Sterling yen might get up to here. Big resistance there. 154 level. A little higher. I don't think so. I think it hit the 10 exponential. I think we come off in Asia. I think we might rally a little bit more and then sell off. Aussie yen also rallying nicely. The $1 million question is, are we going to rally up to this channel line? And you would think, with the Intel numbers better, with the futures better, up big, 1% right now, futures are big, that these things are going to explode. It never plays out like you think. I think if anything, we're going to look to sell them and buy on pullback. I think that's the way to go. But yeah, we're probably going to rally, and then by the U.S. session, I think the futures are going to start going down and negative. The U.S. numbers are going to suck. Bond yields are going to come in. Stock market's going to come in, and the carry trade reverses. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio YouTube, the only voice you will ever need for that makes you money. Have a good night.